Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to your Fitness and Wellness Today. I am Van Goss, and welcome to another great workout. It is all about balance. As you age, you want to keep your independence, and balance is one of the best ways to keep your independence and lifelong fitness. I have a wonderful piece of equipment called the Bosu ball. Bosu stands for both sides up. So both sides up, meaning you can do this side, the bouncy side. You can turn it over. So check it out. We're going to do this workout quick, simple, fun. So it's all about balance. Right in here, step right in the middle. And come on up and stand on it. Now, if you have something you can stand on that's kind of wobbly, okay, that helps with your balance. It helps improve ankle strength, your feet, hips, alignment, posture. Just hold it. Good. Bounce a little bit. If you have a Bosu ball, get it and join me. Now, if you feel that you're balanced enough, bring one leg over to the center. A little wobbly. Try to lift one leg. Breathe, hold it, and switch. Lift, other leg. Bring it down. See that? Balance, focus on something in front of you. When you're ready, feel safe, lift. And notice how the ankle is moving around. And once you get your balance, it gets stronger in your legs. It gets better. Now remember, I'm working out with you. So I need to increase my strength and improve my balance as well. Now this time, you're gonna come up, knee, alternate. It's just like being on a step. Yeah? I used to be a step instructor way back in the day. Yeah, corner knee, remember those? Well, they do it different nowadays. And it's cool too. Good, now hands up. One, alternate. Now you do not have to have a Bosu ball to do this. You can even do it without it. See? Right? Now, right in here, you're gonna bring it to the side. Right here. 1, 2, sweat it down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over. Squat it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, Now, I'm going to challenge you to do a plank. But when you do a plank on something that's unstable, like the Bosu ball, it helps with the abs, helps with the core. stabilizers. Here we go. Hands right there on each side and plank. Breathe. Body straight like a ruler. Here's a challenge. Lift one leg, hold it, bring it down, lift the other leg, bring it down, other leg up, down, down. Good. Bring it all in. Now, there are 1,000,001 workouts you can do with the Bosu ball. One of which, working your abs. We're gonna sit on the Bosu ball. We're gonna lean back, work on the tummy. Work on the tummy. Did you all hear my knee snap, crackle, and pop? And you're gonna lean back, tightening it, lean, arms out, bring it up. 1. Actually, arms on the Bosu ball. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. And you can stretch on the Bosu ball. Bring the legs out. Good. And stretch. Keep it nice, quick, and sweet. Good. Cross, twist, stretch it out, stretch it out. And that's it. You don't have to always do a 30-minute workout. You can do these mini workouts, a 5-minute workout, a 10-minute workout. There's all ways you can fit in fitness. So thank you for joining me. I'm so glad you worked out with me, and I will see you at the next workout.